getting ready to fly over the house?
Like right over the house. I'm getting down.
Ah! Oh my God, he looks too low. I can't get him. I lost the plane. I can't get a close-up of Harold.
Turn back around.
Oh my God. I cannot believe Harry let his ass get off the ground. That's like freaky.
Oh God, there, it looks like there's a fire back there. Look. It's just
Freaking out yet?
Yeah, I was freaking out to find out that he was even in, yeah.